Okay, now let's solve for the quarterly payment. Okay, so we are using the payment function of Excel. Okay, so the cool thing of Excel, once again, is that it can show you the hint. So the first thing you need to put is the rate, and then number of periods, and then present value, and then future value, and then type. Since the payment is delivered at the end of each period, so we put 0 for type. Well, the thing is, the rate here is the effective rate also. And in order to get that rate, we utilized the function or the formula here. Well, unfortunately, the Excel doesn't give you a very handy formula or function for it, so we need to solve the quarterly rate by ourselves. Okay, so let's do the quarterly rate. Let me drag it a little bit. So this quarterly rate again equals to 1 plus 365 days, because it's 5% divided by 365 days. Okay, this is your daily interest rate, and then you raise to the power of how many ever days in a quarter. Okay, so you're gonna put a parenthesis. Otherwise, this caret, this exponent sign would take away the priority of your calculation. So you want the exponent to be expressed in the parentheses. So the exponent equals to 365 divided by 4. That's how many days within a quarter. And then you subtract 1. Okay, this is your quarterly rate. We put it in a percentage format by clicking this button and show a little more decimals. Okay, now we're good to go. Let's solve for payment. Okay, once again, payment, and we put rate in there, and the number of periods. We got 6 future years, so it's in total 24 periods. Okay, 24 quarters, and the present value is this much, and then we put a 0 for future value and 0 for type. Okay, well, the Excel as well as your financial calculator would give you a sign for it, so it really doesn't matter in this case. So even though it's going to give you an actual payment, we just put an actual sign in front to indicate a positive number. So this should be your correct answer, the quarterly payment received by the player.